How are you feeling about the ACJ coming up?
ACJ, mixed feelings. Studying for AFK, it was heavier. There was a lot more content, but I had more time.
Mm-hmm.
I was taking care of my daughter at home, so I did have her with me the whole time, but that was it. But now, I'm also working full time, so there's kids, there's work, there's courses,
Mm-hmm.
so it has been more challenging.
So when your exam is in
2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Right? 2 weeks.
What's the exact date?
Oh,
Is
it's
it
the
23rd?
26th.
26th.
26th, yeah.
26th, so 2 weeks.
Yeah.
And you feel like you haven't completed all the content?
No,
Or
I
you
haven't.
haven't completed
I
all
have
the
not. Yeah, I haven't.
So you're approaching this exam, first attempt, first course, but you didn't really do a full course.
I didn't. No, unfortunately. But I will do my best to study as much as I can the next couple weeks and see how it goes.
Hmm.
We'll see.
I mean, how would you feel if you ended up passing? Would you be surprised?
Yes.
If you end up failing, would you feel it's all right?
I would not be surprised.
Okay, so
I would not feel all right. Of
Yeah.
course, like nobody wants
Yeah.
to fail. So I still have, a tiny little bit of hope.
mhm.
I'm not doing terribly in the mocks, so we'll see. There's a possibility that I'll pass, but if I don't, I know exactly why and what I should change. So.
When we did AFK, which of the topics was your favorite?
Pathology and pharmacology.
Pathology,
I'm like laughing because
pharmacology.
it's always this.
It's always
Pharma and pathology. My favorite.
What about basic science?
Yeah, I think because I love basic science. I have 2 master's degrees in basic science, but it was the first module and it was a lot. Like it was heavy and it was, I guess, just a shock, from like self-studying to, because it was reading the books before the course started. Excuse me. But then, so you start the week with basic science and it's around 30 hours of lectures. So that's a shock. I did, it is a really good module though.
Because the course is designed to have the basic science at start, but it's also is a heavy module. And it sets the pace for people.
I guess, yeah.
So that they don't
shake
feel
them.
like,
Hey.
everything after that might feel a little bit
Lighter, yeah.
lighter
Sure.
versus the opposite.
Yeah, yeah, true. But it is a great module. It's the way it is explained, it's perfect. It's like making things a lot simpler, easy to understand, and it prepares you for pharmacology, pathology, so it's really good. But my favorites are still,
those.
Yeah.
Pharma and Patho.
Pharma and Patho.
So with the basic science, when you went into it, were you already knowledgeable with all those concepts, or did you feel like it added to your knowledge more than
It did
what you
add a
already
lot
had?
to my knowledge because when you do a master's, it's a very, specific topic.
What was your master's?
So the first one was saliva, salivary proteins, and acquired enamel pellicles. It's
The whole
very
master's
specific.
about this?
Yeah, the entire first project was about this.
Whole master's about
What's
saliva.
so funny? Yeah, it's very nerdy, but it's very interesting as well. And the second was chitosan particles and the protective salivary peptides in acquired
Saliva as
enamel
well.
pellicle. Yes.
Yes.
So yeah, I mean, very specific. Yeah, you ask my supervisors, but yeah.
And you come from an ortho background. You're an orthodontist.
I am. So clinically,
Yeah.
the specialty that I chose, that I have is ortho.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, so to address your first question, it did add a lot to my knowledge, basic science, because there are things you don't remember, like from the first year of dental school. So thank you, because there are things that it just seems to disappear. Like you talk about it in the first year, and you never talk about it again. So it's really good.
It's probably the most feared subject, right? When people want to do any dental
think
board
so.
exam or AFK or ADAT,
Yeah.
when they hear basic science, everybody kind of,
Yeah.
would you say?
No one wants to deal with that.
Yes, it's like, what? Basic. But what is this?
Yeah,
you know?
oh no,
And-
not that again. Like first year,
Yeah. It's
subject.
like, and if you study on your own, you probably think it's like all the biochemistry and all that. You go start going through all the books of different, because
So many books.
it's never ending. There's like
Yeah.
so many possibilities.
Yeah. Microbiology, immunology, everything. Histology is so extensive.
Physiology, anatomy.
Yeah, there's so much. So it's beautifully summarized in the book.
Yeah,
The
so we
module is really
summarized
good.
it so that it's like
But for
AFK
1 week,
oriented.
I'm sorry, it's a little too much. It was just, you know,
Well,
a
and the
shock.
mastery course is extended, but
Yeah, yeah.
and you know some people are able to finish it in 1 week.
Oh yeah, I was able
You're
to
able
finish.
to, yeah. So
Like, very good.
we also have a
Module.
backup plan. So like if you don't
Yeah.
finish it, but
If you
yes,
don't finish,
you're able to finish it in 1
I
week.
was, yeah.
When did you finish toward the end of the week or beginning of the week?
Towards the end of the week.
Like
So Friday, like from Monday to Friday. I had
That's
to use all the days.
That's actually pretty good though.
I mean-
with the epidemiology, or did you do the epidemiology before?
Oh, the epidemiology. So what I did was I watched, because you have a suggestion.
Yes.
Watch, if you don't have time to watch the advanced epidemiology, watch this and this. So I only watched those you suggested, and then in the break weeks,
You went back
Finished,
and got
yeah.
the epidemiology. Okay, so you.
I mean, it's a way to go about it if you don't have enough time.
It's doable and you can finish it, but
Yeah.
yes, of course, like if you're working 30 hours, it's going to be like if
Yeah.
the video length is for 30 hours,
Yeah.
the runtime
Combined, right?
combined.
Yes, basic science and epidemiology combined.
questions.
30, yeah. 30
and
hours.
if someone is, depends also on how they utilize that, right? Like,
Mm-hmm.
do they rewind a lot? Do they use it on
That's-
fast speed?
Yeah, I
how was
think-
your experience in the beginning in the first week? How did you
I
use
was
the course?
rewinding a lot.
Yeah.
because like I said, it's a lot of content. Basic science is a lot, and you jump from one topic to another, right?
Mm-hmm.
There's lots of things to cover. So I felt like, oh my gosh, I didn't memorize this. What did he just say? And I kept like rewinding. So it did take me a little longer than it should have taken. I could have finished it, let's say Thursday, but I was rewinding too much. And then I learned, like throughout the course, that try to treat this as an in-person class.
Yes.
Don't rewind too much. Like, if you have any doubts, write it down and ask it in the live sessions. And that's what I did later on, and it was very
Yeah.
helpful. It changes the whole experience.
Yeah, we always try to catch students in the first week to tell them, like, look, by the
Yeah.
way you want to use these videos is treat them like first as if they are a live lecture. Rewind if necessary, or pause
Yeah,
if necessary,
yeah.
obviously, because you want that flexibility.
Of course.
But also just remember that, like, you're not necessarily memorizing from the video. That's not. You want to finish the content.
And
Then if you have extra
review.
time, you could go back, review, and
Yeah,
do
to
that. So,
memorize. Yeah.
yeah.
And I
it's-
didn't believe you at first. I was like, oh,
You tried.
I will rewind because I have to. Okay, that's how my brain works. But no, you just have to trust the process. Yeah, watch it as if it was an in-class session, because that's how it was in dental school, right? So why would it
You
be
can't
different
rewind
now?
in class.
You can't
instructors.
rewind your professor. So yeah, but
Yeah.
we learned.
Yeah, and like even if you don't end up rewinding, you could still come back to it. You could still pause. Just don't try to over rewind and memorize.
Don't
So-
overdo it. Yeah.
And that
To
was
memorize.
one of the most feared topics usually, or people kind of just are worrying about it. But like we summarize it in hopefully like in a simple way. Just it's condensed in that 1 week. In the mastery course, they have 2 weeks for it.
2 weeks, it's perfect.
Yeah. So and after you finished it, how do you feel about did you utilize that for your INBDE as well?
You mean just the basic science or the course?
No,
as a whole?
the basic science specifically.
Yeah, there was a lot of basic science in the INBDE. 100% utilized it, yeah.
Did you need to extend beyond the AFK basic science for the INBDE, like a little bit further?
No.
Oh, really? So I thought the INBDE has more of it, like, more into the biochemistry and stuff like that.
No, not like deeper knowledge, just more questions. I guess
Okay.
like they bring up more questions, more basic science
All
questions,
right.
but all that same level.
That's good.
Yeah.
Okay, so basic science, most feared topic in AFK.
It is fun at Scholars. I found it fun.
It's a good foundation for your favorite topics, Pharma and Patho.
Yes.
You had to
yeah.
pick one?
It builds, if I had to pick one.
Oh.
How many seconds do I have?
To
Oh
choose?
my God. Okay, Pharma.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's interesting.
Why?
I think, well, there's always a diverse answer there. Some people love Patho more, some people like... It's rare to see
You?
someone that likes Pharma more.
Okay.
But maybe after they do the pharma and learn it, they start to like it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
What's your
especially if
favorite?
you learn the basic. Me? Oh, yeah, this question is really hard.
You have 10 seconds. I'm
You
just
have 10 seconds? Pharma.
farm. Oh.
Okay.
Interesting.
It's Patho. It's Patho as well.
No,
but
you can't
yeah.
change. See, it's both.
Yeah, it's both. You're right.
It's both.
Okay, so because
Very
Patho, I like learning about the cells and like how they could misbehave.
Misbehave. Yeah,
like in
that's
the
a
body,
good. That's a good.
and
good
like
word.
which ways it could do that and how that presents.
Yeah.
But pharma also has like this very interesting. How can we design things to manipulate the body?
Yeah.
Which I like to understand.
Very,
Like,
yeah, it's fascinating.
like
I remember you asked that. Oh no, it wasn't you. It was Dr. Hodgers. She was like, "How do you guys feel about pharma? Like, what do you think about the module?" Everybody was like, "Oh, it's so difficult. This and that." I'm like, "Beautiful." She's like, "Beautiful," but it is beautiful. Like if you think about it, it's fascinating
yeah,
to me, at least. Like,
yeah. Like it's like when you learn what buttons you have in the body. Let's say, if you press this button
Which
and if you
one's
turn this off,
what
what
happens?
happens?
Yeah.
And then that we could create medication or drugs to do that. That's pretty like awesome. that we could
is.
do
It
that.
is.
Well, from the basic science, is there a favorite subtopic?
Okay, anatomy.
Oh, wow. You knew that fast. That's great.
Yeah, I love anatomy.
Interesting.
You?
I think hormones.
Okay.
But I haven't thought this
that's
through.
the most difficult part, I feel.
Yeah, I haven't thought this through. It seems
I
like
haven't
you've already
either.
thought
I
of
know.
it. It seems like
No,
you came up with the answer
It's
fast.
just like, yeah, I know.
Anatomy?
Anatomy.
Did you like know that, or do you just like think of it now?
No, I knew that. Yeah.
Do you want to
Always
elaborate
loved
on
it.
like any when you found out about this?
When I found out about this love for anatomy. Dental school, 2006.
Wow.
Anatomy class. Very specifically, it was 2 p.m. I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
No, yeah, I just always loved it.
Okay, yeah.
It's interesting.
Anatomy is
I
interesting
think
too. It's one of those topics where that you really have to repeat it. There's no hack for it. You have to repeat it to actually remember it. But yeah, like it's so interesting.
Yeah, I mean,
I don't think I've ever like heard someone say anatomy. I mean, hormones is probably weird too.
it is like hormones. This part is very difficult.
It is.
It is
difficult.
interesting, like,
It is
you
interesting,
know,
yeah,
and
but-
it's super important for the rest, like for pathology even, right?
Yeah.
But it's so difficult to me. Anatomy is not. Like to me, like I
Yeah.
don't have to repeat
I like
so
anatomy
many
too, though.
times.
I'm not gonna like.
You're copying me.
Yeah, yeah,
Copying
that's-
my responses.
I like anatomy too.
But it
I
is
got good
so-
at anatomy, so
like interesting. I guess I've always been interested.
yeah. There's
like-
something interesting about.
The human
So,
body as a whole.
I guess maybe I
the
just
farm.
like it all. I don't know, but
Yeah,
like
physiology is really
physiology was great.
so-
I really
but
like.
yeah,
Yeah.
more specifically the hormones part you like. But
Yeah.
everything physiology is like amazing.
Yes, but like, I guess the anatomy part is very interesting to see how things are. Once you understand like how things are getting from one point to the other, maybe is there a specific part? Like I'm looking at nerves and skull and how things are getting to a certain point. You know, how does the nerve travel through the bones to a certain target location? But maybe
Yeah.
maybe yes. I wouldn't say it's my favorite, but I like it. But hormones interest me because it's interesting to see how these messages. I feel like they have an overall goal, and then if you understand what that goal is, all the things underneath it you can kind of remember.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah. It all makes
how-
sense. Like if you understood like the goal,
yeah,
obviously like you memorize which hormone
Does
is the
what.
what. Yeah, does what. It all makes sense.
all right.
It is fun.
Physiology too. Okay,
Yeah.
so that's interesting.
Yeah. Least favorite
Least favorite.
in basic science.
I think I know this. Wait, I did dig deep in my head. It's not the correct answer, but from our basic science,
Yes.
so that I know I could go through the topics.
I mean,
I want to say probably biochemistry, but there isn't any
Okay.
biochemistry. But like biochemistry, if there's
so
some
not oral biochemistry. Biochemistry.
like if someone is presenting biochemistry, maybe that's the part I would say is the least favorite.
Okay.
Versus, is there an option? Like what is there? Because microbiology, I remember even back in school, I had this thing where I was drawing the bacteria and characters. I lost that book, unfortunately.
Oh, oh no.
I created them like as villains, and they had superpowers. So like,
Oh.
I
And you
could I
lost
turned microbiology into something fun for
Fun,
me as
yeah.
well. But like,
But it's not very fun.
it is if you look at it that way. There's some things still I have.
Yeah.
You know, like
After your comic books.
yeah, it was kind of like a comic book. Like they had
Yeah.
superpowers and they had
Yeah.
like characters. Like if it's an aerobic bacteria, I would have a nose. But if it's an anaerobic, no nose. You know, like stuff
You
like
need this.
that. Okay.
Like we need this for.
I have to work on this project.
Noting down. Yeah.
I could
do.
work.
Yeah.
Yeah, I designed some sketches, you know.
Yeah.
But biochemistry, I never had like. Oh, I never maybe approached it enough to get to that level.
Right.
It seems like you liked it or something. Because when I said you didn't like, you're like, oh.
I'm like, okay then.
Do you like biochemistry?
I do. Yeah.
Okay,
It was
that's good.
okay. First year. I remember most of my friends disliked biochemistry, and I was the only one like paying attention, like loving it. I loved it. So biochemistry. First year, my favorite subjects were biochemistry, anatomy.
That's
And
good.
we had pharma as well. We had pharma.
You had
for
pharma your
4
first
years.
year?
4 years, yeah.
Wait, we didn't get pharma on our first year.
We did. So it was second semester
Mm.
and on. But
So what's your least favorite in basic science?
in basic science, least favorite is I think immunology. Immunology.
Mm.
It's complicated. I don't know.
It is complicated, yeah. There's a lot of definitions for sometimes it feels like the same thing,
Yeah.
like inflammation and some other hypersensitivity thing and some other,
and
yeah.
all
yeah.
those cells.
Yeah.
I'm like, I get annoyed at plasma cells. Like that term's too broad. Like they should have named it something different. Plasma cells could be
Yeah.
anything, but yeah, plasma cells. Anyways, yeah, I don't like that. What?
Plasma is annoyed at. You know, mast cells bother me too.
Mast cells. Yeah.
Because, like, sometimes like almost, you know, because you learn it in a way where it's like under a microscope, but like, how did it get there? Like, where did it get?
Oh yeah.
So,
What else? Yeah, immunology, and there's probably something else that was like difficult for me. Oh, occlusion.
occlusion. I was
It's
gonna
difficult, but you explain it in a way that I had never been like explained to like that before. So it was like it made it less dislikeful. Like
Less-
did I
less
just make up a word?
gross, like less
Less-
problematic.
Less problematic. There.
I mean, thank you coming from an orthodontist. It's like
But it's not that type of occlusion, okay? Like before people start thinking that I don't know occlusion. What? Right? That's not it. Occlusion in basic science, it's more about like the TMJ and how, you know, each cause.
like anatomy,
Yeah.
physiology kind of thing. That's how we
Yeah.
discuss it.
Yeah,
I mean,
let's be
you could
clear.
argue it doesn't need to be in the basic science, but
Yeah.
I kind of liked it in the basic science so that that's a discussion.
You don't know why? Yeah,
No,
I
I
don't
do.
know why I
No,
wanna do.
because you see, a lot of times it's explained in prosto from a prosthodontic point of view.
Yeah.
Then it's explained in ortho from an orthodontic point of view.
Mm-hmm.
So, but you never get the whole all over point of view.
Mm-hmm.
You know, you only learn from a prosto where they go, okay, let's learn centric relation and how do
Mm-hmm.
we build it back? And then in ortho, you just learn angle one and what's right. But you don't really, that's why it's confusing because it's like you never get this basic, like,
Yeah.
let's learn what occlusion is before all of that.
Yeah.
You know, so that's why in basic science, I'm like, well, first, let's learn it as anatomy and physiology.
Yeah.
How is occlusion? Let's learn these terms all together, ortho, prosto. Anatomy, it's anatomy. And
Yeah.
I don't know if you want to call it physiology, but it's an anatomy
Yeah, I guess so,
and
yeah.
how the joint is going
Like
to
how
work.
physiologically it's going to
Yeah, and then,
occlude.
you know, and then later when you do prosto and ortho, we repeat the concepts related to those topics
To
of
those,
occlusion
yeah.
in those.
Yeah.
So it just kind of made sense to take it a little bit, create its own topic, and you know, have it early on in the course, and that way you could repeat it more.
Yeah. So that's what I'd never seen, I guess, like separated from the topics. Very well done.
Thank you.
Right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, yeah. Thank you for
Right.
the talk today.
Thank you. Yeah, it was fun.
All right.